Right, open your browser and search for EBSU portal. And once you have done that, you tap the first link that will show up and wait for it to open. Enter your login details, which is usually your JAMB reg number and same thing with your password if you have not changed it. Now once you are logged in, select your session, that's the current year or your current study year. Once you have selected that, you wait for it to tap on that submit, you wait for it to load. And as that is doing, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to change your level in your school portal in case you are still seeing your formal level or other level that is not yours. So once that has already, tap on profile details and tap on fill the profile information, and you wait a minute because sometimes it will take time for that to come up. And once it does, just have to scroll down to the end of the screen, and you will see where your informations are. You see the year of study. That year of study, you see your level there. So select the level, that's your new level, your current level, and then tap on that submit button, and that's it, guys.